Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the background color in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find it helpful, do not forget to hit the follow button and leave a like. So now let's just access to our app and start our new project so we can start changing background uh, colors. And basically there isn't a direct way to do that. All you will be needing to do is to start having either an overlay or just adding cut out your images and start having some overlay. And to do that, we can simply start adding some either sticker or image that has some kind of other background and then uh, cut out the original subject from your images. Now let's do that with this image, and as an example I'm just going to click on it, and here if I click on this image there will be a cutout tool, and then I will need just to use it, and I'm just going to click on this one, and simply it will cut out my subjects, and from here you will be able to delete this one, and then you will need just to add your uh, background. So let's suppose that I want to add another media, and I want my background to be this white one or this red video, and from here let's just delete this one, and basically let's just add another cutout, and I'm just going to choose this one and click on done, and simply you will be able to start having another background for this image. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.